Hey you guys, Yanette Lavren here, back with another video. It's been a minute and I have so much to fill you in on. Well, first and foremost, I took a little break on YouTube to really try to focus in on where I wanted to go with my business and see what my audience really was wanting from me and to really see how I can help my customers. So during the year, I also launched a pillow collection, luxury pillow covers, and really that has been a wonderful addition to my business. And I'm in the process right now of rebranding to include that collection that I am launching. So today I want to share with you mistakes to avoid when starting an e-commerce business. So as you all may know, that I started a pillow collection earlier in the year, and I've been working very hard at that. But along the way, I've learned a lot. I've made a lot of mistakes, but I've also learned a lot. So I like to share with you things to avoid when starting an e-commerce business. And some of you, I know if you're an interior designer, for instance, you may want to implement a product in your business at some point, whether it's a home decor product or accessories or furnishings or whatever it is. But you may want to look at something like that to add as a stream of income to your business. I definitely would promote the samples that you receive before you get your inventory, so that way you can create the awareness to your business before you have all your inventory. So for me, I guess I felt an extra sense of security waiting to get the inventory first before I started really heavily promoting, which for me, I don't know, I guess I'm just very particular about certain things and just, want to make sure that they're there and there are no delays. And so I basically really wanted them to be there. But then I realized, and from learning from other business owners as well, that it really isn't necessary, because you can do pre-orders and explain to the customer that what the lead time would be, and that way they can start to sign up for the product on your website, and you can really start to market heavily your product before you even really launch. So doing that would really make a difference when you first launch. So moving forward, I can still implement that when I want to add new collections to my current collection. Number 2 would be doing a pre-order. So that way you can really see what your customer is interested in. If they really like the product, how many orders you can potentially get. And so that will really give you an idea of, if the product is even something that you should offer, or how much you should actually order of that item. So doing pre-orders really can make a difference. And so getting your sample early, photographing it and putting it out on your social media and marketing it and getting pre-orders will definitely make a difference when you're launching your e-commerce store. Number 3, I didn't create a separate Instagram page and Facebook page for my product initially, because since it was related to interiors, I really thought that, okay, since I have my interior design page, that it wouldn't really be a big deal to include my pillow collection into the same page, because it's still interiors related, which is true. But at the same time, I feel like it would really help with those who you're trying to target to really find your page and your product when it's in a niche, when it's very focused. So I ended up doing that months later, which made a tremendous difference, because now I'm able to grow followers quickly, and I'm able to find my ideal customer, which I really brainstormed to see who they are, who I'm targeting, and was able to create the hashtags to attract those types of customers. And so creating a separate page made a tremendous difference, and I was able to come up with content for that page a lot more easier, because it was centrally focused on my pillow collection. And it also turned into more sales because my followers are there for the pillows only, and that's what they were interested in. And I noticed the sales increase when I did that. Number 4 would be starting out with Shopify as soon as possible. My website was on Wix for my interior design business, so I just included my store for my pillow collection into the Wix page, which is fine, you know, because you're still trying to test things out and see how it goes. But as soon as you see it really working, your new products and the sales are coming in, it really makes sense to switch over to a platform like Shopify, because it's really made for e-commerce and it has a lot of support surrounding it with apps and features that will really help to increase your sales and really help you make a profitable business. And so right now I'm in the middle of rebranding with my pillow collection and creating that Shopify store and creating that website and just getting it all set up. So it's quite a bit in the beginning to put it all together, but it will have a better outcome for your store. And so yeah, that's one thing I kind of wish I jumped on right away, but I'm glad I'm doing it now. So yeah, Shopify is where to go. So those were the 4 tips that I had in terms of the mistakes that I would avoid for starting out an e-commerce business, in addition to your interior design business or just your e-commerce business. And so I hope they helped. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I will see you next time. Bye. My Daisy is 2 years old now.